everyone, welcome back you all in our online classes. Dear students, I am going to teach class 10th mathematics, chapter number 3rd, exercise 3.5, and we have already done question number 1, 2 and 3, and today I am going to start with question number 4. Dear student, question number 4 is given. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by any algebraic method. Okay, so dear students, we have studied about 3 algebraic methods. We can use any one method to solve that problem. So we will solve here. First part is given. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. So dear students, here we have to find fixed charges and cost of food per day, and we have given here 2 conditions. So we will just assume it as, let the fixed charges be x. So let the fixed charges be x, okay, and the cost of food per day and the cost of food per day be rupees y. Okay, so our first condition is given. According to our first condition, what is your first condition? First condition is, when a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges. So it means student A is taking food for 20 days and we have given the remaining depend on the number of days one has taken. So we will take it as fixed charges is x and cost of food per day and the number of days are here 20. So equation will be here x, which is fixed charges, plus the number of days into cost of food per day, 20y is equal to 1000. Okay, or we can take it as x plus 20y minus 1000 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Okay, similarly second condition is here. Second condition is, a student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as hostel charges. So here equation will be as fixed charges is x and the food taken is for 26 days. So x plus 26y is equal to 1180, right? So, or we can write it as x plus 26y minus 1180 is equal to 0, and it will be equation number 2. Now we have here a pair of equation, this one and this one. We can use our cross multiplication method by using cross multiplication okay, we can write it as x y 1. We know that b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 and b1 b2. So we will use it as x y 1. So here x1 a1 a2 b1 b2. Here b1 is 20 and b2 is 26, and here c1 c2 is minus 1000 and it is here minus 1180, and a1 a2 is here 1 and b1 b2 is here again 20 and 26. So on solving it further, x upon this into this, it will be 20 into minus 1180, and here is minus in formula, but here is already minus, so minus into minus plus 20 into 1000 okay, is equal to y upon this minus this, y upon, because x upon this minus this, y upon this minus this, and 1 upon the product of this minus this. Okay, so here it will be as y upon minus 1000 into 1 minus 1000 into 1 minus this, but here is already minus, so it will become here plus, minus 1180 into 1 is equal to 1 upon finally this 1 into 26 minus 20. Okay, so we will further solve it as it implies that x upon, we multiply this 0 okay, 8 2 is 16, carry over 1, 2 into 1 2 plus 1 3, and 2 1 is 2, and it is of minus, and here plus 26,000 is equal to y upon minus 1000 plus 1180 is equal to 1 upon 26 minus 20 is 4. Okay, so next we can take it as it implies x upon 26,000 minus 23,600, it will be equal to 2,400 is equal to y upon 180 is equal to 1 upon 6, right? So on solving, it implies x upon 2,400 is equal to 1 upon 6 and y upon 180 is equal to 1 upon 6. We can consider first, second and third. On solving first and third, we will get the value of x. On solving second and third, we will get the value of y. So it will be further equal to x is equal to 2,400 by 6 and here y will be equal to 180 upon 6. So it will be equal to x is equal to 400, okay, and here it will be equal to 30. So y will be equal to 30. Hence the fixed charges is rupees 400 and the cost of food per day is rupees 30. So it was about first part of question number 4.